হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আপনি কি ইংরেজিতে এক্সপার্ট হতে চান? তাহলে আপনাকে প্রত্যেক দিন টেন্সের উদাহরণগুলো প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। আজ আমরা পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সের স্ট্রাকচার জানব এবং উদাহরণগুলো বারবার প্র্যাকটিস করব। চলুন উদাহরণগুলো প্র্যাকটিস করি।
I was writing an article last night. They were watching TV when I arrived. She was cooking dinner at 8 p.m. We were playing football in the rain. He was sleeping during the class. The kids were shouting in the classroom. I was learning French last year. My brother was driving when it started to rain. I was not listening to music at that time. They were not attending the meeting. She was not studying for the test. We were not talking about politics. He was not using his phone. The children were not behaving well. I was not working yesterday evening. She was not wearing her uniform. Was she writing a letter? Were you waiting for me? Was it raining in the morning? Were they working on the new project? Was he talking to the manager? Were we walking too fast? Was the teacher explaining the topic? Were you feeling okay yesterday?
ভিউয়ার্স, আপনাদের যদি এই ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে এবং উপকারে আসে তাহলে অবশ্যই আমাদের চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না।